Thank you everybody for my presents.
Yeah. Did you enjoy opening your present?
Yeah.
Well done. And what else are you going to say? Merry?
Hmm?
Merry?
Merry Christmas everybody.
All right. Let's show them your gifts.
Yeah.
So what's inside the
Let's see.
what's this
There's
one?
a
Penguin.
Hey, there's like some stuff.
What's that? Oh, a
Oh,
beanie. A beanie hat. What else in there?
Ooh. There's a picture.
Yeah, you read it?
I love you this much.
Mm.
That's what it says.
Oh. Yeah. Oh, sweeties.
It's like a TikTok color.
TikTok. Oops. Oh, sweets. Just no, just put in the floor. Everything. Ooh.
Hey.
Wow.
Got
What's
a
that?
light.
Oh, wow. That's nice. And what's that? Oh, spin. What's what you call this one? Spinner. A chocolate. And
Haribo.
a penguin.
And
Chocolate.
Haribo.
Okay. Then, what else? Show me your clothes. Oh, you want to open that first?
Yeah.
Right then. You move in the anak mo.
I can see it. I got curly hair.
Oh, it's like you.
But it's purple
Her name is Kali.
Oh. Yeah. You're right.
Kali.
Wait, this is like a puzzle piece.
Is it?
Yeah. It is a puzzle piece.
Okay, let's put it there. What's inside?
A hairbrush and a sticker or something. It is a sticker.
Show them. Oh, wow. It's a heart and a star.
Green hairbrush.
That's not a brush. Comb. Hair comb.
I'll just take off this. She looks beautiful. It doesn't matter if she's like that. Yeah. Ooh, a picture. And shoes. I'll show you the shoes. Shoes.
What was it?
Shoes.
Oh, wow. That's cute.
Oh, another sticker.
It's like a Snickers.
Oh, I can put this on there.
Barbie?
On my house. Like
Yeah?
me. Doesn't matter if I just break it. Hey, that's the same as that one. Yeah. Oh, another one. Another sticker. So cute.
Yeah.
Oh,
And what's that?
you can put it on her.
Ah,
there.
it's a necklace. Show me that. Show your doll. Okay. Yep.
And another sticker.
Oh, she's beautiful. Is that her?
No.
No?
That is different.
Different.
Oh, I did actually rip it. It's okay.
Oh.
Ooh, headphones. Ooh, these are so good.
What's that?
What is it?
Let me have a look. Color reveal accessory. Alright. Let me see.
Headphones.
Oh, headphones. Right. Here, anak.
I'm gonna dress her up.
Put it in the bin.
Now
No,
I'm
anak.
gonna dress her up.
Put this in the bin.
Wait, this was mine one. This was the same with that what I get.
Yeah. They're so cute. It's like Cleopatra. Busy, busy, busy. Oh, it's a car. Wow, that's a nice car.
We need that and that.
Oopsie. Daisy. So cute and unicorns. Where's the doll na anak?
Which dog?
Oh, this one you didn't open yet.
Yeah, but it's too hard.
Is it too hard? Right, let's open it. Nearly finished.
Ah!
Well done.
Did you break it or not?
No. Me? Show me, look.
Follow her hair. Ah!
Show me your car.
I'll turn it
Wow,
around so you can see.
that's nice.
I put sticker on like there and right there. And Mom, and you just did this for the silly mommy.
Well, let me have a look.
Wait, Mommy, I'm gonna do something. Her hair just fell off again.
Give it.
I tried to put her inside there.
Nice car. It's not too bad. Well done, anak. Ayun, iba na naman ang pinagbibisihan. Color naman, drawing.
I just draw ladybug.
Oh, wow, that's so good.
And I made something else.
What's that? A sticker.
And
A sticker?
do you know if you press this button, look.
Wow.
It puts song on it. Hello guys, so this is my Barbie house that I got from Morrison. So
Okay.
I'm gonna open it now. I got the scissors.
Be careful.
Oh, look at this.
Manage?
So guys, this is
You might need that, anak.
What?
I don't know.
oh guys, I'm gonna get it out. Very big. Guys, stickers. Okay.
What's the, anak?
What?
There's no instruction?
I need the scissors. Where's it?
Is there no
Found it. Found it.
instruction?
Found it.
Wait, let me look.
Ah. No instruction. Okay, a little piece of large enough. But I can do it. What?
Thank you, neighbors, sa mga regalo nyo. Para kaming manginginom, pero wala naman masyadong umiinom sa amin. But anyway, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Mga, ewan ko kung anong mga, ano to, wine ba or rosé? Whatever. Kasi kami manginginom Prosecco. And martini. Social. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And the chocolates. And a candle. Wow. Oh, Marks and Spencer pa. Socialin. And Marks and Spencer again. So yeah. Thank you very much, neighbors. And sa lahat ng nagbigay ng gift namin ni Jom. Thank you very much. Ganda nitong shoes na to. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Yeah. Thank you very much. At tignan nyo, ang kalat ng house namin. Sobrang kalat. Ayan. Dami nga ayusin na naman. Oh, everywhere is kalat. Everywhere is kalat. You okay?
Yeah.
Huh? You happy, anak? You happy? Did you enjoy your Christmas?
Yeah.
Good. Why? Why?
Because it gives you lots of presents.
Really?
Like toys and clothes and
Oh,
anything.
anything. Good.
I had a load of presents at
Oh.
the Ella and Jay's house. I
Okay.
don't know how
What?
many I have, and I have
You still got paintings.
set.
Yeah.
Well,
But maybe we'll do that tomorrow, anak, because it's a lot of things to do.
I
We need to
just
tidy up
Well,
first.
I just did now have like one of these.
Yeah.
Because I know. I
Yeah.
just need it.
And
This is marshmallow.
marshmallow. Oh yes, it's
And
yummy.
actually, you can feed it.
Oops.
Okay, I'll get this one. What? I'll
What?
just get this one. Ready. So I'm just fiddling around.
Fiddling around.
Yeah, and look. You know, you can see this, but you can actually just fix it. Because you just press it down and then voila. And then see what happens. See what happens.
Yeah.
See, there's actually it. And look at this. So cute. It's a bit like Shopkins.
Yeah, it is Shopkins, I think.
No, not, you know.
Okay, fine.
It's something else. Like, you can see this?
Yeah.
You can feed her, like,
Yeah, it's squeezy.
look.
You can squeeze it if you want.
Because it's squishy.
Yeah.
Squish, squish.
Okay.
I have, like, Lego and I made this all by myself. But sometimes
Well done.
I just need help for a little bit.
Good.
And I know how to make these characters. Ah, her hair.
Fell off.
Yeah.
Mm.
And this is what we made. It's so cute.
Yeah, that's a Lego, isn't it?
And this
Yeah, I think
is
Ate Maya gave it to you.
and windmill.
Yeah.
So yeah. This
And
ball.
this one, you try this headbands.
Yeah. Who gave me this?
Tita Norve.
Hmm?
Tita Norve.
Okay, I'm gonna cut this up.
Be careful.
I'll be careful. There you go. There you go. Gray. I don't. It's okay.
It's nice.
What?
It's nice.
Yeah.
Next, the pink one. Try the pink one.
Actually, white one.
Okay. Beautiful.
Now
Okay.
pinky color.
And the pinky
It's
color.
a bit like white.
No, it's pink.
Yeah, pink.
Pinky pink.
Yeet.
Okay.
And what is this?
The book.
This is what we made.
Yep.
Wait, I have to get the puppy. Puppy. Cause that's
Alright, say bye-bye na anak ko. Mom is going to cook.
cook.
So, what are you going to say? Thank you
Thank you, guys.
for...
And Merry Christmas, everyone.
Okay, bye-bye.
Christmas.